What? Well, it's not a plan. Here I go on. A franchise the chosen one. The 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effective. You know what go already? When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. What you mean? Yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. I'm the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Here what I'm going right about now. Yo, no pay careful attention. Because I don't like the news I hear about the Sparta gang and all of them shit there, you know. Respect, right? Yeah. I don't like the news I hear about the Sparta gang. It's not normal to me. Why? Yeah. I like the news I hear about the Sparta gang. Because before the man them lock up Tommy Lee Sparta, I never know nothing about the Sparta gang. I never know say them have a gang with name Sparta. That's why I deal with all of them information are new to me. Not saying them never have it, I never hear of it. You know what I mean? At the first I hear about Sparta gang. When I hear about Sparta, I think I just Tommy Lee represent him home base. I never know say you have a gang name so. So right now when I hear the police them come out and all that talk about the Sparta gang and them respond to how much murder and all these kind of stuff and this shit, yo, you have to really I think, yo, where them really go with this thing? Like seriously, like where them really go with this thing? You know what I mean? Cause the man them can't so wicked against the youth, you know. You know what I mean? Right now, you know. As simple as that, how you take it, you know. And people there, you know. And I go like say, well then, you know. Them not know about what go on or them not see what go on. Or them not even, you know what I mean, understand where this thing a lead go to. Yo, I don't like the look of it. Right now it smells stink. Ask the internet. It smells up the whole internet. It's where I deal with a gimmicks thing that I go on with, you know. You know what I mean? You know, can't go on with them fool thing there. Right now, you know, I'm supposed to let go the youth, you know. Because I say when I'm done with question, you know. That's what him lawyer say, you know. I don't know, you know, how not come out with news before you let go the man and I talk about Sparta gang. We never know if Sparta have a gang. Eh? And even if them did have a gang at the first me I hear about it, and them wait till when time them commit how much murder before them even can talk about that. Yo, you see them contrary argument there as will lead to some crooked thing, you know, my brother. You know what I mean? Respect, you know. Mocha. Yeah, man. Them contrary argument they always lead to some wrongdoing stuff. You see what I deal with? Yeah, we can't sit back and just go on like, well then we don't know what go on or, you know what I mean? We don't see where this thing here try to move, them are try to move this thing go. And the type of highlight where them are put on it. Don't forget, you know. I saw them start out with the world boss, you know. And not deal, you know, whatsoever, you know. From the man going there, you know, about weed business, you know. Not deal, you know. I don't even know if that legal. Not deal whatsoever. Them just a pin and murder like a close your pin and pan line. You see what I deal with?
Excuse me, sir. Thank you. I'll disturb you, but thank you, my man.
Real respect. Yeah, Gaza Nation. Respect you, no, brother. Alright, good. Yeah. You know, I don't know gimmicks thing what I deal with, you know, a real thing I talk about, you know what I mean? Can't deal with the man them deal with the youth like that. You know what I mean? I don't know which police have a thing against the man or whatever. All this time before when you talk about you want the man for question. Nobody not hear no news about no Sparta gang at this, no Sparta gang at that. As soon as you want to hold on upon the man on the ear, the bloggers them voice vocal on the internet. When you come out and talk about Sparta gang, yo, you free up the artists, you hear that? Nobody with no lollipop thing. When you free up the artists, send the man home to him family and cut out on no wicked business. And some wicked thing you go on with, you know. More, you know. If no law no dead, you know. For the poor class of people, you know. You can just imagine if all the man are no bucket if whatsoever. Just look for what go on. Calling the man have him lawyer and still come up with some gimmicks business and a big joke thing. Him lawyer can't get no answer from nobody. How comes the man not free and say we don't question the man? And no more question for him. We not hold on upon the man for? We not hold on upon the man for? We not act like the man now in Biden City. Yo, no let go the man. Gimmicks business, man. Lollipop thing when I go on with, you know. Time for the people them see that and know that, you know. A rebel pound, you know, with a lollipop thing, you know. Yes, sir. Good. Alright. I don't know, joking about it. Nobody never hear nothing at all about no Sparta gang. Until you don't lock up the man. You hear Sparta gang a come round. And then when you want to go on like say it's not a lollipop thing you want to go on with. Eh? Yo. I saw when you start doing foolishness, you know. With the world boss, you know. And end up, you know. Do fuckery, you know, and then want the nation of people supporting you know, wouldn't lie, you know, and some bag of ridiculous people won't go believe in a fairy tales, believe in a story, and feel like say, well then, you truthful and righteous. Yo, let me tell you something. You couldn't do that to no rich people, you know. You know that? We don't have personal vendetta against the artists them. For what reason, I don't know. I don't use strength and power of the system. You know what I mean? For binnacle the youth them. You see what I deal with? Because everybody's supposed to see say a living arms house you know go on with. If we not done question the man, the investigator them will run them question, him have a final session and say him done with the man, no more question. Why you still hold the man up to today day? And then you put out news about Sparta gang. Eh? You know some go on the people them to see you know, how brutal and wicked it is, you know. You see what I deal with? I never hear about a gang named Sparta until yesterday. I listen to the news. I never know say you have a gang named Sparta. And you know, I never know. I know my fault, I just never know. You see what I deal with? I always hear Tommy Lee represent for Sparta. I think I'm hometown him I represent for every time him say Sparta. I never know say you have a Sparta gang out there who are miserable, who respond to how much murder in the country and all those type of things. We never know that. All that whole long so. all that whole long so, and I went in the whole Tommy Lee. No, I feel let go the man, and them thing they not here a rise up. Eh? Yo, we need to get to the bottom of this thing, you know. You know what I mean? And people need to get to the bottom of this thing. We don't have some question to answer. Because we need to tell the people them from when since this Sparta gang terrorize Mobile City. We need to know when since this Sparta gang terrorize St. James. You know what I mean? Because the first me I hear about it. So that means you don't know all of these things and you sit down on it. And I don't like when police alone know news. I don't like that. When I alone know, I hate that something there. Because right now, I alone know say Vibes Cartel murder Lizard. And you can't show a Lizard body. And you can't give enough form substantial evidence for point on the man and say, well, then him commit the crime. We only hear from Uno say the man murder Lizard. You know what I mean? I'm afraid of them something there. I'm afraid when the police alone know the story. Yo, Gaza Nation, you know, you push out for Tommy Lee Sparta, you know, and make sure you know, share the video, you know, just watch 10 starting, you know. Share the video, you know, help create, you know, the loud explosion out there, you hear me? Watch. Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General. Watch.